think the reason why a workshop like this can be important, even if you've never sung before, if you've never acted, or maybe you have some distant memory of doing something like this as a child, if that's all you have, this can be really important for you because it will help you build confidence in yourself, to have an impulse to make a choice, to have it be heard and responded to by the group, and have it be honored and worked with and forwarded, to realize that in a creative environment, at the beginning stages, there can be no wrong answer, and to live in that place and to explore and take risks in that place can be a very rewarding boost of confidence. It can help shine a light on yourself about where your blind spots are, about what you're afraid of, what are your vulnerabilities, and what you are most nervous about in terms of connecting with other people.